Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make tteokbokki, which is a kind of Korean rice cake or gnocchi or however you want to call them. I already showed you in another video that I will link here somewhere how to make tteokbokki, but just literally the basic recipe. Today I'm showing you how you can use them to make a very delicious and spicy dish. So let's see how to make it. The first thing you want to do is to put the water inside a pan. Add your vegetable bouillon inside. I have a recipe for this too, and you can find it at the top of this screen. Switch on under the broth on a low-medium flame, and when it is boiling, we're gonna add the other ingredients. At this point, we can add the sugar, the soy sauce, and the gochujang paste. Lower the flame to a minimum and allow the gochujang paste to melt inside the pan. Help yourself with a spoon and just stir to mix all together. After 3-4 minutes, the gochujang paste will be completely melted, so you can leave the flame on a low, medium, and add your pre-cooked tteokbokki. Now that your tteokbokki are in the pan, you can keep on stirring and leave them to cook for about 10 minutes. You will have to stir quite continuously because otherwise the gnocchi are gonna stick to the bottom of the pan and they will have to go quite soft. Okay, once the sauce has thickened a bit, you can add the nori, the onions, minced garlic, and of course the leeks. Lower the flame to a minimum and just mix it very well. Maybe next time we'll get a bigger pan, yeah? What do you think about that? And cook for about 10 minutes until everything will be well mixed and well cooked. If you need it, you can add a little bit more of water. That's what I'm gonna do exactly right now. There we go. I've added about 3/4 cup of water just to allow me to mix all together and allow all the vegetables to cook properly. Once the water will disappear, we will have a creamy sauce. The vegetables will be cooked and the tteokbokki will be ready. Okay, so when the sauce is going to be thick and creamy, you can just place them inside a plate. And your tteokbokki are ready. Look at that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and a Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to tbsp UK channel. I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Well, thank you very much, Homie.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.